Hey, hello guys. So today we're going to solve this problem Pascal's triangle from LeetCode. And in this problem, we basically recreate this Pascal's triangle in the form of an array within an array. And if you notice that the Pascal's triangle, the nth row can be obtained from the n minus 1th row by offsetting the n minus 1th row by one place. For example, here I have the first row which just contains element 1. And to get the second row, what I do is add 0 to the front and obtain one array, and similarly add 0 to the end of the first first element or the first array, and I'll get another array. And if I add the corresponding elements of these two arrays, I'll get the second element. And I basically repeat this process to get the third row, which is just to add 0 at the front as well as at the back, and add the corresponding elements of the two arrays, which are obtained by doing this. So we basically repeat this the number of times the rows are needed. So we'll start with the code. First we'll create the first row which just contains the element 1, and then we'll start the iteration. And before starting the iteration, in case this num rows or the attribute the argument was 0, that's a special case. In that case, we just return an empty array, because we can't start with the iteration because we already have this one element stored in the result array or the result variable. So we'll handle that first special case. In this case, we just return an empty array, and if not, we'll start with the iteration. So, and we finally return the variable, so this should work fine. Okay, good. Let's submit the code. Okay, it went well. So if you know this trick, it's gonna be a really easy problem. And I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.